Okay, this is an instructional video on creating and scheduling an event in Facebook. I have gone to the Discover Family Fun USA and I'm going to select More, Events. Let me get rid of these conversations. Create Event. And then I'm going to select Online. And then I'm going to do the date, which is the 3rd at 1 p.m. And I'm going to do the event name, Parent Conversations, Gardening and Planting. Let's see. Date and time. Go ahead, let's give it an end date and time. We'll say 2 o'clock. And then, let me make this a little bit bigger. Come down here and hit next. And we're going to do external link because they're going to Zoom. And then that link, let me go grab that. Okay, so I grabbed the event link. There it is. Let me try something. That'll be fine. All right, we're going to hit. Then we're going to hit next, and we're going to put a description in here along with these hashtags. We're going to replace finances. We'll say gardening. And we'll add another one that says planting. And I went to the Trello board and got the description for here. So something like, come join us and learn about gardening and planting with our local expert, and then put his name in here, J.D. Gunnell, period. Great, and I think that's going to be it. Got some hashtags, got that, got the Zoom link. Next, get rid of that again, and invite your friends and Discovery. Let's do that, and upload a cover photo. There we go. And I grabbed the Parent Conversations one, and where did it go? I'll find it, hang on. Great, so May 3rd, Parent Conversations, Gardening and Planting, and that's it. Create event, and that's it. Let me know if you have any more questions. It may take a minute or two to show up in the USA group, but that's how you do it.